Hey guys, welcome to Easyfix. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to promote your Fiverr gig like a pro. You can start by optimizing your gig title, description and tags with the relevant keywords, and this will improve your gig's visibility in Fiverr's search result and make it easier for the potential buyers to find you. You can also use social media to reach a wider audience. So for that, share links to your Fiverr gig on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. You can also build an email list of potential clients and send out newsletters highlighting your gig and any special offers or discounts. The other thing you can do in order to promote your gig is to attract the attention to your gig by offering promotional deals or discounts for a limited time. You can create urgency by setting a deadline for the offer and clearly communicate the benefits of taking advantage of the promotion. You can also join Fiverr online community and groups to interact with the sellers and buyers. So building in the relationships within the Fiverr community can lead to more visibility and orders. You can also promote your gig on Fiverr in the form of ad. By implementing these promotion strategies and staying proactive in marketing your Fiverr gig, you can increase its visibility, attract more buyers, and ultimately grow your freelancing business. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.